Have you found yourself working on a job where you can't seem to make any progress? You don't feel appreciated for no matter how good you are? Or do you feel as if there's something not quite right and you're not happy with where you are in your life and your career? You studied hard, you went to college and you thought you were set for life, but where has that got you? You dread waking up every morning, you're getting up to catch the bus or you're catching the peak hour traffic on the way to work in your car, and it just isn't where you want to be. You're feeling empty inside, as if you're in some sort of routine and you're not really living your life. Are you going to let your dreams go and slave away for somebody else for the rest of your life? You're not going to give that up now, are you? Each and every one of us has the power within us to take control of our lives and achieve things far greater than we've ever thought possible. So what are you waiting for? To be successful, you need to be passionate about what you want to do. There's no point doing it half-heartedly or working just to pay off bills and just to replace the job you already have. Only you can change the way your life is and the way in which it's headed. Are you ready to take the next step and change your life? There's one way for you to change the course of your life, and that's to start an online business. Very little cost, just like setting up a brick and mortar, so it's a serious business, but it's not with the expense as there is with a brick and mortar business. So what you could do, you could set up a niche site, you could find the passion that you want to continue to grow and start a business. Let's talk about it.